This is Jess. She runs her own small graphic design firm, and time spent on repetitive tasks takes away from doing what she loves. That's why we created the HP Smart App. Take scanning. No need to smooth, adjust, or crop. It's scanning made simple. With Smart Tasks, Jess can simultaneously archive, copy, and share important documents like contracts and receipts. What used to be time-consuming and tedious can now be done over a cup of coffee. And what if Jess needs to update a design proposal on the go? Easy. She can instantly turn a scan into a searchable, editable file. Nice job, Jess. The HP Smart App with Smart Tasks, helping business owners focus on what really matters.